Good morning, students. Chapter 6 Political Parties going on. Today we'll discuss last topic, other suggestions to reform political parties. There are many suggestions are given to reform the political parties, yet parties are not reformed. First, a law should be made to regulate the internal affairs of the political parties. Already we have discussed that parties are facing the challenge of lack of internal democracies. So if we want to reform, so we have to be regulate, we have to control the internal affairs of the political parties. A law should be made. Then parties will be reformed. It should be made compulsory for political parties to maintain a register for its members. Mainly parties all over the world, all the political parties do not maintain the membership register. They have no record of the members. So it should be compulsory for the political parties that they have to maintain the register of its members. And it should be made compulsory for parties to follow its own constitution. Mostly parties are not having their own constitution, and few parties are having their constitution, but these parties do not follow the constitution. So a law should be made in the constitution that all the political parties will have their constitution and they have to follow that constitution. अगर सभी पार्टीज अपना कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फॉलो करेंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं पार्टीज के अंदर डेमोक्रेसी इनहेंस होगी. इट शुड बी मेड mandatory is compulsory to have an independent authority. सभी पार्टीज के अंदर एक इंडिपेंडेंट अथॉरिटी होनी चाहिए टू एक्ट एज अ जज इन केस ऑफ पार्टी डिस्प्यूट. यदि पार्टी के बीच अंदर मेंबर्स के बीच में, लीडर्स के बीच में इंटरनल को डिस्प्यूट्स है, इन दैट सिचुएशन टू एक्ट एज जज, एक ऐसा इंडिपेंडेंट अथॉरिटी होनी जरूरी जो इंडिपेंडेंटली होकर काम करे एज ए जज to solve that disputes. So all these efforts should be made. There are few more suggestions are there. First, it should be made mandatory for political parties to hold open election to the highest post. Already we have discussed the challenge of dynastic succession among the parties. Mostly the highest post in the parties are occupied by the member of one family members. So it should be made mandatory for political parties that they should hold open elections, so every person can have the equal chance, equal opportunity. An ordinary citizen should have the opportunity to reach the highest post in the party. It should be made mandatory for the political parties to give a minimum number of tickets, about 1/3 to women candidates. Nowadays, mostly in the political parties, very few candidates are women, and the women are not succeed in getting the ticket in the party. If the women are not representing the parties, then the reforms are unimaginable, or reforms are not possible without giving the tickets to the women. So a law should be made for all the political parties that जितनी भी टिकट्स हैं पार्टी के अंदर, नंबर ऑफ 1/3 टोटल टिकट्स का 1/3 टिकट्स विमेंस को जरूर दी जाएंगी एटलीस्ट. Then we can hope that parties can be reformed. Even there should be a quota for women in decision making body. In the all parties have a decision making body. In these decision making body also there is some seat must be reserved to the women's. The state funding of elections, all the expenses, all the funding to elections should be done by the state governments, by the governments, and government should fund provide the fund to the elections to all the candidates of the parties in the form of petrol, papers, telephone exchanges or cash, etc. And this fund, all these expenses should be given to the parties on the basis of the performance of those parties in last elections. And but these suggestions, all these suggestions, yet not accepted in our country, in other countries also. That's why still we are facing all these challenges. All the challenges are facing by different, like challenge of lack of internal democracy, challenge of dynastic successions. Such challenges are facing by the political parties, not only in India, even in all the parties throughout the world. Next, if we accept all these suggestions, then surely parties will improve. So there is a chance of improvement if we are accepting all these reforms. But while accepting these reforms, we have to be careful. When we are adopting the legal solutions to solve the political problems, we have to be careful. If we have to the over regulations, excessive legislation can be counterproductive. कई बार लिमिट से ज़्यादा किसी पर लिमिट लगाने से, लिमिट से ज़्यादा किसी पर लॉ बनाने से, कानूनी लीगली प्रोसीजर द्वारा किसी को रिफॉर्म करने की हम अगर सोचते हैं तो कई बार इसका उल्टा रिजल्ट होता है, काउंटर प्रोडक्टिव भी हो जाता है. इट मीन्स यदि पार्टीज में रिफॉर्म करने की कोशिश करेंगे देन पार्टीज विल बी ट्राई टू सर्च न्यू थिंग्स टू चीट. सो इन शॉर्ट, there are two ways in which parties can be reformed. First, people can put pressure on political parties, and people can put pressure through the petitions, agitations, movements, etc. and media, pressure groups, organization groups. These peoples can play an important role in putting the pressure on the political parties. When parties will see that there are so many people who want the reform, if they will not bring the reform, they have a fear that they will lose the confidence, they will lose the support of these peoples. Then there are chances, little bit chances are there, parties will think for reform. Political parties can improve if those who want this join political parties. एक तरीका और है political parties को reform करने का. जो लोग पार्टीज को रिफॉर्म करना चाहते हैं, such people should join the political parties. If good people will come in politics, so there are chances to reform the political parties. Because the degree of success of democracy depend on the people participation. If more people are participating in democratic procedures, then it is the success of democratic system in a country. So beta, that's all for the chapter. But we have to know one thing: if all parties are not in favor of to bring the reform, then forcefully we cannot reform the political parties. So to bring the reform, first of all, parties must be agree on these reforms. That's all for today.